Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and today is Monday and we are preparing all our cleaning supplies. This is the storage where all our equipment and cleaning supplies are. Monica is right here cleaning the van and putting everything inside, everything that we need. Today we have two regular clients. Mónica, ¿qué estamos haciendo ahorita?
Estamos preparando las cosas para irnos pues a hacer las limpiezas habituales que tenemos el día de hoy.
Perfecto. Luego le voy a mostrar el video cómo quedó. Y también lo que estoy haciendo ahorita es esto. Acuérdense cómo se llama esto. Se llama ARDOODLE. Check this out. Now we are folding cloth. I don't know what Monica is doing with my cell phone, but now we are folding clothes, and I want to show you that we have different type of colors to avoid cross-contamination. Some cloth are really thin, like this one. For dusting, it's really good, or for multi-purpose, then I need this kind of cloth that is a microfiber, really good quality, thick, and the one that I really love is this one because it's soft and it will polish the glass mirror in the bathroom or the glass shower door. We have so many kind of different flat mat, different colors. Also, I have this one is 100% microfiber cloth for tile or wood. The brand is Amber. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. Bye.